Where are your cheeks? Where is your chin? Where are your nose? Where's your teeth? Where are your eyes? Where are your ears? Where's your eyebrows? 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 Where's your hair? Where's your neck? Where's your shoulders? Where's your tongue? In there? Yeah. Where are your armpits? Where are your elbows? Where are your arms? Arms? Where are your arms? Yeah. Where are your hands? Hands? Where are your fingers? Where are your toes? Toes. Where are your hips? Yeah. Where's your belly button? Yeah. Where's your tummy? Where are your legs? Where are your knees? Good job. Where's your butt? Where are your eyelashes? Good job. Give me 5. Yeah.
Sandwich.
Yeah. Knuckle sandwich.